Good morning. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Mahesh Kumar. I am from Sarhand, Fatehgarh Sahib, India. My assessment question is: why are you interested in earning in Master of Business Administration degree in Business Informatics? But explain what concern you and motives you in a selections of these studies in particular. I have chosen this course of Master in Business Information Informatics, which is a degree program for the professional and deal with business and engineering and who has a certain will to depends their strategic and managerial skills through the use of business information system. The program helps to participants to address all the challenges of digitalization and the digital transformations in the both business and work life. We shall become component and also analyze business information for the design, decision making, business operation and business development. One can also make use of the given knowledge in the business modeling, learning how to collect and interpret data while also analyzing it's a crafting answer for the critical questions related to business. We shall also learn to apply business development method to drive business growth and innovations. Therefore, in a nutshell, I would like to conclude on how a MBA degree in business informatics would not teach me to adapt to the changing economic and business depends, but also would undertake broad executive decision that shall generate business revenue, some great job opportunity after completing my course in this particular field could be that of business analyst, chief information officer, data scientist, ICT consultant, ICT project manager, and software entrepreneur. Big companies also generally appreciate business school graduates with great communication, leadership, and problem solving skills. My second question is: what kind of competencies do you want to develop and how you are going to utilize this education in your career? Describe what strength and capability you will be bring to this co-learning environment. The competencies that I would like to discover could be related to innovation skill which is associated with the relation of a new product and services. By applying innovations and once we help the organization to be more efficient and also allow more computer related activity within the organization. Along with this, I would like to have more knowledge about technical and analytical skills. Having a clear understanding of these competitions would give me also a boost to my career as I utilize them while working with the MNC or if have my own startup. I have someone who loves to discover amazing facts. Fact, fact is very passionate about the learning each day. I won't I won't let go for any opportunity that come my way and also at the same time I have great communication skills which have always help to understanding other in any meeting or presentation. My third question is: think about your priorities in life, work, family, hobbies, rest time, other factors. What do you need to compromise to find time for completing the BI Master program? What kind of sport will you need to enable these studies? Assess the realizing of your study plan, especially if you aim to complete your studies faster than in 2 years. My greater priority in my life and my family, and I would have compromised the most spending some quality time with my family as pursuing such a program would require a lot focus and concentration towards the studies. I completely believe that doing the hard work, making the effort consistently would reap great rewards in my future. My family also understand the academic advantage of pursuing my higher education from Finland, as they know the value of international exposure and also globally recognized degree with would serve my future career prospect and boost my growth in specific field in interest. According to me, MBA in business analytics is ideal way to launch one's own business analytic career, particularly if your primary interest in applied aspect that field. Having an analytic mindset, a flair of static and business savvy, I feel interested in tapping into this challenging and in a demand field. Thank you.